Hello everyone, my name is Anil Mishra. I'm a passionate marketing and alliance professional. Been in the industry for 17 years. Currently work with Pegasystems, which is, a platforms company. Right? So ABM is core to the entire success of our go-to-market motion. The way we do it, right? So we are a software platform company. We work with our ecosystem partners. If we want to win a joint client and create success there, it has to be very, very intentional or thought-provoking strategy to be there, identifying what industries you want to cater to, what kind of organizations you want to cater to. And also, as a provider, I need to see, which are my partners, what capability or the specializations or the expertise that they have, and accordingly, define that. And that's where I believe ABM or the account-based marketing programs are very critical, where we have been seeing the impact of marketing. Our organization is right; they are becoming the core member of the team who is working with our go-to-market sellers and the partnerships and ecosystem community to identify the markets that we want to go, what are the profile of partners which we can explore it out, and then create and what's the goal of the sellers itself, right? What different solutions you want to take to the market, and accordingly soak and absorb all that information, and then come back with the programs that we can drive into the market, which will be really impactful for us as a software player, but also for our partners, and then ultimately for our clients as well. So it'll be a win-win scenario for everybody. The client will get transformed their business. We are obviously selling our solutions into the market, and then the partner is also making huge value out of it, right? So for every dollar that we sell, they are typically making 6 to 8 times of that value as their services. That's where we feel that ABM is becoming a core for the success of these programs. Otherwise, we were working in the siloed approach. Sales has their own play, partners had their own play. But yeah, with this ABM, I think it'll be very, very targeted, very, very precise in the way we are approaching the market.